Before you pay for VideoExpress AI, give me just 3 minutes, because this isn't one of those reviews where I read the pricing page and tell you it's revolutionary. The only question that matters is, will this tool actually save you time, or will it become another subscription you forget you're paying for? That's what we're going to figure out. First, who is VideoExpress AI actually built for? If you're creating YouTube videos every week, running a marketing agency, making product videos, or constantly posting on social media, you're probably looking for one thing: speed. Not more buttons, not more menus. Just a faster way to go from an idea to a finished video. And that's where I think people make a mistake. They judge AI tools by the number of features. I judge them by the number of hours they save, because those are two completely different things. Here's a simple test I'd use. Take one project you already plan to make. Don't create a fake demo. Use a real client job, a YouTube video, a product promo, something that actually matters. Now ask yourself 3 questions. Did it help you finish faster? Did the output need a lot of fixing? And if you had to make the same project tomorrow, would you open VideoExpress AI again? Those answers tell you a lot more than a feature comparison ever will. Now, let's talk about expectations. AI video tools are getting better every month, but none of them are perfect. You'll probably regenerate a few scenes, you'll tweak prompts, you might edit the final result before publishing. That's normal. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is getting to a publish-ready video with less effort than starting from scratch. Here's the part most reviews skip. Think about the cost over a year. If the subscription saves you 4 or 5 hours every month, it might pay for itself. If you're only opening it once every few weeks, that's a very different calculation. The best AI tool isn't the one with the longest feature list. It's the one that earns its place in your workflow. So, should you buy VideoExpress AI? If video creation is a regular part of your business, your content strategy, or your client work, it's definitely worth evaluating. But don't subscribe because a YouTuber called it the future. Subscribe only if it solves a problem you already have. That's the difference between a smart investment and another monthly charge you'll eventually cancel. Now, I want to hear from you. If VideoExpress AI could save you 1 hour every single day, what's the first thing you do with that extra time? Build your business, create more content, take on more clients, or finally take a break? Let me know in the comments.